Qlik is pleased to introduce the Qlik Insight Bot, delivering AI-powered conversational analytics to any and every user in your organization. The Qlik Insight Bot can be accessed directly from the Qlik Sense environment or through popular collaboration tools such as Skype or Slack, making it easy for people to access analytics wherever they work. Users can ask questions and get a variety of insights using natural language, making it easier for more people to make data-driven decisions. To put it simply, if you can chat, you can engage with your data. For this demonstration, I will be using the Qlik Sense Hub with the Insight Bot extension. The Insight Bot is immediately accessible in the lower right corner. A simple click brings up a familiar interface ready to accept commands and questions that will interact with your Qlik Sense business apps. Now to get started, in case you need a little guidance, simply type help in the command window. This will show you a list of common commands, sample questions, and a quick overview of what you can do. Assistance is available immediately at your fingertips. I'd like to get a quick understanding of what analytics my bot has to offer, so I simply type show apps. Notice as I start to type, it starts to suggest various commands that are available. It has already learned from my previous needs, therefore making those suggestions. The command show apps displays those Qlik Sense apps configured for my bot. Clicking one of these, such as retail convenience, sets my app context and provides a generalized overview and summary of my KPIs. This keeps me engaged with my data, so I continue exploring. At this point, I want to see what measures are available, so I type show measures. And now I see a list of all my measures in the app. I'm interested in cost of goods sold. Clicking this not only displays the value, but it also presents a chart showing my measure over time, with links to the actual Qlik Sense web app in case I want to perform some deeper analysis and have that traditional interactive dashboard experience. Now note with my last request, the bot continues the conversation by further suggesting other time periods to review, such as last year, last quarter, last month, year over year, quarter over quarter, or month over month, encouraging me to ask that next question. Now, I want to see some visualizations. All I need to do is type show visualizations, and a list of governed KPI visuals, which are available in the app, display. Here I'm going to select Sales by Store, which produces a visualization along with additional information. At this point, I hope you're seeing the power of simple conversational analytics using simple prompts and commands. But now let's try more specific questions, such as show sales for last year. You can see I'm using normal natural language, very similar when having a conversation. I get a simple response providing similar information as previously shown. But what I want to address is the conversation is context aware, just like when you're having a real conversation with someone. For example, I can now say, how about last quarter? I don't have to mention the measure sales, and it remembers that we are still within the same context using that measure. So now I provide other commands that will generate new visuals on the fly using the measure and dimensions I provide, such as give me a bar chart by product. I could even provide more criteria, such as how about Philadelphia? This introduces a filter or selection and only returns that specific data back to me, still within the same context. Now, let's increase the depth of our conversational analytics, something that will provide me more than just summaries and trends and time period selections. I want to identify outliers and get more context and the possible cause of my results. By typing turn on insights, it engages the machine learning components and offers an option to choose simple or advanced. Both of these turn on narratives to provide additional textual-based detail about your data, but advanced provides more detail on what can be causing those numbers. Let's look at a sales trend with advanced insights turned on. So not only do I see my sales trend and my sales summary, but there is also additional context in the narrative that is providing insight on what may be causing those numbers. I find this information of particular interest, and I want to share this with myself and my colleagues, so I'm going to email this information to myself for demo purposes, or it could be a colleague and make them aware by simply typing in email name. Now the recipient has the exact insights in their inbox, along with links out to the live application. Now, that was an on-demand example, but I can also ask the Qlik Insight Bot to alert me after key KPI thresholds are met. I can tell the bot, alert me when candy sales become greater than 5,000. Finally, I can ask the Qlik Insight Bot to forecast my metrics. I simply ask it to predict my sales. A regression algorithm uses my existing sales data to predict next month's outcome. This example demonstrates only a small piece of what the Qlik Insight Bot can do. Thank you for watching this product tour on the Qlik Insight Bot, a perfect complement to your existing QlikSense enterprise solution. For conversational analytics that make analytics available to everyone, get started with Qlik Insight Bot today.